Rahmanir Rahim. This is Dr. Samir from iJust. I am going to show you how to manage a webinar and how to access the webinar as moderator or the speaker or the ITU member who will supervise the webinar. So actually all the moderators, the speakers, and the ITU admins should have received an email like this for the webinar, specifying the start time, the end time, the title of the webinar, and actually you will receive this link, actually your link, and this is the guest link. Actually this link should be sent to everybody, to everyone actually that you would like them to attend the webinar. So this is just for the guest and this is for the moderator. Don't share this as it is written here, because anyone can access the session as moderator if he has this link. So all you have to do, actually one important thing also is that you have here, you can join the session 15 minutes or 30 minutes before its real start time. This is important. I am setting this all the time for the webinars to start 30 minutes before its start. So actually at the time of the webinar or before, you as moderator should click on this and wait a little bit until this is actually how it will operate. So you will find your name here, title of the webinar. So if it is the first time that you use Blackboard Collaborate, so you will receive a warning message to give the permission to use the microphone and the video camera. So just start them. So now I am inside the webinar. So all you have to do is to go to this settings and click on this and be sure that the session settings or participant can remove this. I do believe that I should do it. Participant can share audio, share video, leave this as it is, and also remove this. Actually for this test session I forget to disable them by default, but usually just be sure that they are like this, otherwise you will have so many trouble from the attendees. Another thing that you should have to just click on this and be sure that the settings of the microphone are right. Yes, another very important thing, notification settings. So when someone join or left the group, remove this. Someone post a message, so also remove this in order to not being distracted during the webinar. Audio should remove all of this, okay? And also advise the attendees to remove all these settings, otherwise you will find a notification or whenever someone enters the webinar or leaves the webinar, okay? That's the most important thing. So also actually when someone raise hand, also remove it, because it is really distracting or annoying. Okay, so I am joining the session again from here as a guest. So this is one. So the attendee should write his name, Ahmed Muhammad, like this, and join the session. This is one of the attendees who is attending the session as guest, okay? So as you can see here, he has the ability to raise his hand only. Again, advise all the attendees to go to the settings from here and then click on this and disable the notifications. Okay, it is already disabled for everyone, so now it is really fine, and you don't have to worry about this. Okay, so don't worry about them. They will not be distracted or annoyed by the notifications or the chat messages. Okay, so again, let me go to the moderator settings here. So this is the moderator. All you have to do is to click on share content. You can share, the moderator can share his whole screen. Click on this, share the whole screen, or just sharing one single app. So let me share this PDF file. So anyone here, single Windows application. Let me share this. Okay, so now this is shared to the student, if it is a PowerPoint or whatever actually. So you here the instructor can annotate, can explain, can do whatever he wish. Okay, so let me go to this, and you can see that the attendee will see this application shared here. Okay, so this is actually how to share share one application or share the entire window. And also they can do some kind of polling like that. This is really very simple. Chat attendee can post chat. Please see this. So this is this is actually the moderator. Attendees also can see the chat here, and they can post the chat. Okay, so this is one of the attendees. The moderators can see all the chats. So again, now let me show you for the moderator. Whenever actually the moderator would like the attendee to participate in a voice chat or something like that, so all they have to do is to come to session settings here and allow this share audio settings. So once it is done, so it is really fine. If we go here, I will see that the attendee can have this button activated. Once the attendee click on this, so he can start. Okay, and his voice will be sent to everybody in the webinar. But it is up to you actually to activate this during the webinar or not. Once you are done with this, just please come back and disable it. So if once it is disabled, as you can see, now it is completely disabled from anyone. So I think that this is how to use the system. The system can be used from any browser, from the desktop, laptop, mobile phone, smartphone, etc. But actually the moderator or the presenter, actually it is recommended that he use the system from a desktop or laptop computer for sharing applications like this. Okay, so I think that it is clear. I hope that you enjoy this useful tool, and thank you very much.